What's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing a new series. So here is the box. It's a little tear thing right here. Oh dang it! Hold up. Okay, I got it. So there's like this box is like cool. It's like a championship thing, and what our prize is in here. But first, this card right here reveals what I have, but I'm gonna show y'all after. So yeah. Okay, so right here we have this right here just tells you, you know, what the best things are and the worst things are. So first we have Bianca Belair and John Cena. Those are the two worst ones, I'm pretty sure. And then we have Roman Reigns, Cody. That Rey Mysterio right there is actually very cool because it lights up in the dark, which is very cool. Surprised it's not a special edition one, which we'll get into. And there's the Jey Uso on the back side. There's the Randy and the Logan Paul. And that Randy right there, there's two Randys. That's one of them, and then the other one is a special edition Randy. And then there was also two John Cena's, as y'all can see, and that one's the special edition one. But anyways, we got Logan Paul, CM Punk, LA Knight, and then I just showed y'all that, so y'all don't really need to see that. Here's this our bag that has all the prizes in it. And so first, let's start off with unpackaging this side of it, because it's like split in sections and stuff. Yeah. So first, we have this. Oh, and before I show y'all, 1 second. Look who I got. This is the second best one. This is one of the limited editions. So that's what I just got. So here's the legs to it. So right here. Here's the championship that comes with it that I can put on the waist. There. Here's the next one. This is the torso. With him doing his pose. Right here. This is sick. Right there. That looks kind of low, but yeah. And then the last part is the head. My bad. This is gonna take a minute. 1 second. Okay. Here's the head to the Randy Orton. Just gonna pop it on like that. And then there we have it, the limited edition Randy Orton. And you know what'd be cool is if the next one we get the second Randy Orton or we get the John Cena. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, we have two of them. So let me get the next one. Right here. Let's get this too. Okay, I just want to point this out. This is so satisfying. Listen to this. That was the Randy Orton. But yeah, that noise is so satisfying. The box right here. So let's see. The ones that I'm aiming for right now would be any of the John Cena's, the other Randy Orton, and the glow-in-the-dark Rey Mysterio, or the LA Knight. So yeah. So here's my card right here. Yeah. So So the one that I got is actually not bad. So let me start off with the feet. So here's this, if y'all want to go back and try to guess which one this goes to. Here is the feet. I think that gave it away. Yeah, it definitely did. Anyways, next part, the chest. Pop it on in place like that, and then we got the briefcase. Yeah, that's a waste of time. Yeah, see you on the head. Ba-bomb. Okay, just pop that on right. Like that. Okay, like that. And then we get the briefcase, we put it on this. Oh boy, is this gonna take a while? 1 second. Here it is. So, got him like that. And then for the Randy, we have him like this with the championship. So, please like and subscribe because I'm desperate for, subscribers. And I'm not forcing you, I'm just, asking if you can. And, make sure to have a good day wherever you are, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.